Right, so this is the much worked on Midland 77805 UK, not to be confused with the DUK. This is the earlier one, which tends to be better on receive. So if you saw the repair video, it's for an end user. Had to change the output transistor, had to change the resistor, had to change the audio IC, had to put a protection diode in because some wally had managed to reverse polarity it with a silly bit of power lead coming out and no fuse. So let us put it on 31 and see if Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
You keying up?
Yeah, Roger.
Roger that. Right, ready when you are.
Roger, I've got no transmit bars on transmit. I wonder why that is.
Oh dear.
It's something to do with the case. When you put the case on, it doesn't. The LEDs don't light.
Is that one of those with the edge connector attachment to the front panel?
I don't know. I'll run it upside down and then we can. We'll just run it upside down.
I think it will be. You've got the PCB 90 degrees to the main PCB, and they're just simply soldered on, aren't they? And they crack easily.
Yeah, and of course when it's the normal way up, it's absolutely, the works is upside down, isn't it? You've got the weight of the works.
Yeah, so yeah, you come back to that, it'll be an easy fix, I'm sure.
I just quickly plugged into the test set to make sure it was still transmitting. Right, off we go.
Yep, Roger.
I'll just plug my extension speaker in, folks, because we're on the test instrument speaker.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and there's no tone control on this radio over.
Roger. Right, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger. Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that. 4:8 o'clock, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quad 2.
Roger.
Right, we're now square wheeled. Oh no, we're not. We're off again.
Roger, at Ancaster Crossroads.
Correct. the top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Midland 77804, is it 805 UK? It's a non-D version, so it's the earlier version which works best on receive. It's doing a full 4 watt output, and I'm on a standard replacement mic, over.
Yep, roger that. All received. We're currently on standby while the geese cross the road. Why did the geese cross the road?
Hopefully not to get flattened.
Well, I can see one has been, probably yesterday.
So why, is it because there's water at that level?
Yeah, well, they're feeding the fields, they eat grass and stuff like that, so they go up to the field and they probably had the babies up there, and then they go down towards the farm on a night, I think, to the river at the bottom.
Oh, roger. Well, it all happens at Wilsford.
Roger.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Oh, we have passed it, I nearly forgot.
Roger, got you just past the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Midland 77805 UK, doing a full 4 watts and drawing 820 milliamps. And I'm going to pop it onto low power, which I have set for 400 milliwatts. So here goes, 54321. There we are on 400 milliwatts. The radio's now drawing 325 milliamps. Pop it back to full power, and there we are back on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that, no problems at all, fully copyable on both.
Yeah, it's good set this, now it's fixed. Right, if you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Yeah, you've got about 9 minutes, we'll be done by then.
Double.
Right, we're square wheeled at the crossing.
Oh, it's like that, is it, today?
It is. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Over Rossby level crossing. Please, over.
Yeah, 147.9, 155.9.
Excellent, that works a treat. Thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. And do you have a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yeah, 147.9, 155.9.
Excellent, well that worked a treat. Thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. And it certainly did work great. We'll pop it onto our base station and just see what it sounds like. And of course this is why we do these tests, not knowing that the LEDs were intermittent when the radio was turned the other way up. So there we are.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 77805 UK with standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Now we'll pop it onto low power. It's just there as a home test. And there we are on low power doing 400 milliwatts. Then go back onto full power. Tomorrow's set will be the other one from this customer, which is a Midland 77104, the baby Midland. So kind of similar to this, but not the Portapak version. Thanks for watching.